I am Leslie Marie Roca Villacordial, and here's my groupmates Ryan Badat Tamuspusan and Juan Montera. So, in this video, we're going to present to you our hotel, JW Marriott, Washington, D.C. So, without further ado, let's get started. Behind me is the JW Marriott Hotel in Washington, D.C. that is owned by Marriott International Incorporated. Marriott International is a leading global lodging company with a portfolio of brands that includes JW Marriott, The Ritz-Carlton, St. Regis, and many others. The company was founded by John Willard Marriott in 1997 and is headquartered in Bethesda, Maryland. Marriott International operates, franchises, and licenses hotels and lodging facilities around the world, maintaining ownership or management of many properties, including the JW Marriott, Washington, D.C. The JW Marriott Hotel in Washington, D.C. is located at 1331 Pennsylvania Avenue, NW, Washington, D.C. 20004. This prime location places the hotel just a few blocks from the White House and within walking distance of several major landmarks and attractions, including the National Mall, the U.S. Capitol, the Smithsonian Museums, and numerous government buildings. As of now, there are over 100 JW Marriott hotels worldwide. JW Marriott is a luxury hotel brand under Marriott International with properties located in major cities and resort destinations across the globe. The exact number of branches can vary as new hotels open and some properties might be rebranded or closed. But before JW Marriott came this far, they've experienced ups and downs. Come on, let's look back at how they started and let us know this hotel better. The hotel opened its doors in 1984 and was named in honor of John Willard Marriott, the founder of Marriott Corporation, located at Pennsylvania Avenue, just blocks away from the White House. The hotel is strategically positioned in the heart of the nation's capital, offering easy access to key government buildings, national monuments, and cultural attractions. The hotel's commitment to providing exceptional service and maintaining high standards of hospitality has earned it a reputation as one of the leading hotels in Washington, D.C. Its central location and historical significance, combined with modern amenities and luxurious comfort, continue to attract guests from around the world. This hotel is amazing, right? Now, let's talk about the amenities and services that they offer. The JW Marriott Washington, D.C. offers a range of luxurious amenities designed to cater to the needs of both business and leisure travelers. Some of the amenities typically available at this hotel, while in services, they offer a variety of services designed to enhance the comfort and convenience of its guests. First one, we have luxurious accommodations. Elegant rooms and suites featuring plush bedding, marble bathrooms, and modern furnishings. Next one is dining options. Multiple dining venues including a fine dining restaurant, a casual dining option, and a lounge bar offering a variety of culinary experiences. Next one is fitness center. A state-of-the-art fitness center equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and exercise equipment. Next one, we have business services. Extensive meeting and event spaces with high-speed internet access, audiovisual equipment, and catering services. Business center services are also available. Then we have concierge desk. Concierge services offering assistance with reservations, transportation arrangements, and local area information. Club lounge. Exclusive access to the concierge lounge for guests staying in executive level rooms or suites, offering complimentary breakfast, snacks, and evening appetizers. Next is Wi-Fi. Complimentary high-speed internet access throughout the hotel. Valet parking. Secure valet parking service for guests with vehicles. Room service. 24-hour room service available for guests who prefer dining in the comfort of their rooms. Next, we have spa services. On-site spa services and treatments for relaxation and rejuvenation. Lastly, we have accessibility features. Accessible rooms and facilities for guests with disabilities. These amenities combine to provide a luxurious and comfortable stay for guests at the JW Marriott, Washington, D.C., ensuring a memorable experience in the heart of the nation's capital. These services cater to both business and leisure travelers, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience at the JW Marriott, Washington, D.C. Welcome to JW Marriott, where exceptional service is our hallmark. At JW Marriott, we treat our customers with personalized care, offering a variety of top-notch services including 24/7 room service, luxurious spa treatments, and gourmet dining experiences. Our dedicated staff ensures every guest feels valued and special. Behind the scenes, our company led by example, treating staff with respect and fostering a supportive team environment. Experience the excellence of JW Marriott.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to JW Marriott, Washington, D.C. Hotel. How may I assist you today, sir?
Good morning. I have a reservation under the name Mari Montana.
Let me check that for you. Okay, Mr. Montera, we have a lovely room prepared for you with a view of the city for 3 days and 2 nights, with a queen-size bed. You also have a free breakfast for 3 days. Would you like assistance with your luggage, sir?
Yes, please, that would be great.
Our bellhop will take your luggage to your room. Here's your key, sir. Your room number is at room 105, located on the 5th floor. If you need anything during your stay, please don't hesitate to call us at the front desk. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Montera.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
My pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful day.
The service at JW Marriott Hotel is exceptional, featuring a warm welcome with genuine smiles and friendly staff, making guests feel valued immediately. The check-in process efficient and smooth, with staff quickly handling reservations and confirming guest preferences. They offer assistance with luggage, emphasizing convenience and comfort. Throughout the interaction, professionalism is maintained with courteous communication, providing clear directions and necessary information about the stay. Staff ensure guests feel supported with follow-ups and availability for any additional needs. Overall, the service combines warmth, efficiency, personalization, and professionalism for a memorable guest experience.
Hi, ma'am. Could you help me make a reservation for dinner at the hotel restaurant today?
Of course, Mr. Montera. What time would you like the reservation for?
Around 7 p.m. would be perfect.
Let me check the availability, sir. We have a table available for you at 7 p.m. Any special request for your dining experience?
No special request. Just a nice table with a good view.
Okay, sir. I've reserved a table by the window for you. You'll be having a beautiful view of the city. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you, ma'am. That sounds wonderful.
You're welcome, Mr. Montera. Have a great evening.
The restaurant reservation service at the JW Marriott Hotel in Washington, D.C. is exceptional, featuring prompt assistance, personalized attention, and attention to detail. Staff quickly respond to guest requests, ensuring a tailored experience by inquiring about preferences and special requests. They serve a table with a beautiful garden view, aligning with the guest's desires. The interaction is polite and respectful, making the guest feel valued. Clear communication confirms the reservation details, and additional information enhances the experience. Follow-ups and assurance emphasize the staff's commitment to exceptional service. Overall, the service is attentive, personalized, professional, and focused on guest satisfaction, ensuring a seamless and pleasant experience.
Good morning, Mr. Montera. I hope you enjoyed your stay with us here at JW Marriott, Washington, D.C. Hotel. Are you ready for your checkout, sir?
Good morning. Yes, I'm ready to check out. Everything was wonderful. Thank you for the great service.
I'm glad to hear that. Let me process your checkout payment, sir. Your total bill is $311. Would you like to pay with the card that we have on file?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Your payment has been received. Here's your receipt, sir. If you need any transportation to the airport or any other assistance, please let us know.
I do need a taxi to the airport, please.
I'll arrange that for you right away, sir. Your taxi will be here in about 10 minutes. Thank you for staying with us, Mr. Warren Montera. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you. I appreciate all your help. Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a safe trip.
The checkout process at the JW Marriott Hotel is outstanding, characterized by a warm, farewell, and friendly interaction that makes guests feel valued. It is handled efficiently with seamless management of the bill and payment. Staff ensures guest satisfaction, offer assistance with additional needs like arranging airport transportation and maintain clear communication. They explain the bill, provide a receipt, and confirm transportation arrangements. Follow-up is prompt, with staff arranging a taxi and confirming its arrival time. Overall, the service is marked by warmth, efficiency, attention to detail, and professionalism, ensuring a smooth and pleasant checkout experience.
Good morning. We have a VIP guest checking in today. Can you prepare their room?
Of course, what special arrangement do we need?
Just a welcome basket with fresh fruits and a personalized note.
Okay, I'll take care of it right away.
Thanks. Your attention to detail really makes a difference.
Happy to help. Let's make sure our guest has an excellent stay.
The service for preparing for a VIP guest at the JW Marriott Hotel is exemplary. Staff anticipate guest needs and take early action, ensuring everything is upon arrival. Special touches like a welcome basket with fresh fruits and a personalized note show meticulous attention to detail. Effective communication and collaboration among staff ensure tasks are efficiently completed to high standards. Personalization creates a unique and memorable experience, with staff displaying enthusiasm and a willingness to go above and beyond. The service is characterized by proactive measures, attention to detail, teamwork, personalization, and a commitment to excellence, ensuring a superior guest experience.
Hello, this is housekeeping department.
Hi, this is Warren Montara and Humano 5. Could I request for my room to begin, please?
Certainly, Mr. Montera. I'll send someone in your room right away. Is there anything specific you need us to focus on cleaning?
Just a general cleanup will be good. I also need fresh towel and some extra toiletries. I would appreciate that as well.
Absolutely, Mr. Montera. We will ensure your room is thoroughly cleaned and restocked with fresh towels and toiletries. Our housekeeping staff will be there within 5 minutes. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that works perfectly. Thank you very much.
My pleasure, Mr. Montera. If there's anything else you need, please don't hesitate to let us know. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a great day as well.
The service quality in this scene is outstanding. Promptness is evident as the room cleaning request is addressed immediately. Personalization is shown by Ryla's inquiry about specific cleaning needs, tailoring the service to the guest's requirements. Thoroughness is demonstrated by providing fresh towels and extra toiletries. Efficiency is highlighted by the promise of housekeeping arriving within 5 minutes. Courtesy is reflected in the polite dialogue between Ryan and Wallen, contributing to a professional atmosphere. Commitment to satisfaction is shown by Ryan's proactive approach to assisting with any additional needs. Overall, the service is marked by prompt and personalized attention. thoroughness, efficiency, courteous interaction, and a strong commitment to guest satisfaction.
Wonderful hospitality always. Marriott Hotels.